Welcome to MyTAXPrepOffice. In this video, we'll walk you through My AI Assistant, a powerful tool designed to automate document processing, reduce manual data entry, and help you prepare returns with greater speed and accuracy. My AI Assistant uses advanced AI technology to identify, extract, review, and import data from your client's source documents. Simply upload supported documents, and My AI Assistant processes and imports the data into the return in real time. My AI Assistant supports common tax forms like W-2s, 1099s, and more. Let's walk you through how it works. First, start a new return or open an existing return. My AI Assistant works in Forms mode and in Interview mode. In the Return workspace, click on Documents in the menu bar or Documents in the right panel. The document list will be displayed. Select the Add Document drop-down in the top right corner to choose how you want to upload files. To upload a document for AI extraction, select Add Document under AI-based to upload individual documents for extraction, or add a multi-document file to upload one file containing multiple documents. Click the plus button to open File Explorer, or simply drag and drop the files into the upload area. The supported document formats are PDF, JPEG, PNG, zip files, and Word documents. Each file can be 50 megabytes in size. After uploading, My AI Assistant automatically scans for viruses, classifies the document type, and determines whether the data is extractable. Extractable documents display the AI document symbol. Unsupported documents will display a doc type not supported for extraction symbol. From the Actions menu, you can preview the document, view the audit trail, view document details like the source, size, when it was uploaded, and who it was uploaded by. You can download the document, delete the document, rename the document, and share the document with your client through MyTax Portal. When a document shows review needed, click the three dots to open the document approval screen. The left side of the document approval screen will show the uploaded document. The right side will show the extracted data fields. The right side displays three filters: Review Needed, AI Verified, and Approved. Review Needed. Fields in red indicate low confidence or mismatched data. Click the red exclamation point to view the reason. Select the correct value and approve. AI Verified. These are values the AI is confident in. Click the checkbox to view the details. Fields you have already confirmed and approved will appear under Approved. Once all fields are approved, select Approve and import this document. A confirmation message will appear indicating that all fields were imported successfully. Click on Back to Document List. On the document list screen, the document status updates to Approved and Imported. In the Return workspace, imported values appear in green. Right-click any line item and select Jump to Document to view the source. Use the blue magnifying glass to compare and confirm the imported value. Wasn't that easy? With My AI Assistant, you'll spend less time on data entry and more time focusing on your clients. We're so excited for you to try it and see how much faster your workflow will be. For more training content, or if you have additional questions, please visit the Solution Center by clicking the support button at the top of your MyTaxPrepOffice screen. Thank you for watching.